do you have a green thumb or a black thumb? Well, me personally, I've never been very good with plants. So I would get these plants. I guess the only kind of plants that I'm able to, well, that I have been able to grow okay are those ivies inside. But other things, it just seems like I get it, it's all nice when I get it, and then it doesn't last very long. So lately I was thinking, well, I want to get some herbs growing in indoors, and I just got this inspiration to do it, and it was funny because so I got these things from Etsy, right? See, that's how much of an urbanite I am. They actually have, so I told myself that I was supporting this teen business. So what they did was, it's like a teen-owned business, and then they send out packets of seeds for different herbs, and then they send you 3 little pots, and then the dirt already to just put it in there. So I was so excited that, so there's 3 of them planted, right? So this one is thyme, and this one is mint, and then this one is chamomile. So I was so excited. It took, I think it was like 4 days, and then all these little sprouts started coming up with the chamomile. And it's funny because it reminds me of growing a business. Because it's like every day I would come and look at it and notice, oh, there's nothing. Oh, there's nothing. And then all of a sudden, there are sprouts, right? And then every day I look at, oh, it's gone up a little bit. And, you know, in terms of how it relates to business, though, I was thinking about these disappointing pots, though. So these were seeded. I mean, the seeds are put in for thyme, and they were put in for mint on the same exact day, and nothing's happened with it. So in fact, you know, I felt really sad about it. And then today, what happened was, I end up moving these to different parts of the house just so that they get sunshine. Right now, I have them outside, letting them have some fresh air. So I was moving a box that got shipped over, and then it toppled this thing completely over, and I felt a sense of, oh no, like all the seeds that I planted in here are all toppled over. I don't even know if the seeds are now towards the top of the soil and will even come out. And I think about how, isn't that the case with our businesses too, where it's like sometimes we sow seeds and it just, nothing appears for a while, and it could be easy to get discouraged about it. And then when we actually have a little bit of success, it's like, it starts bringing more confidence. I remember when this first started sprouting, I thought, oh wow, this is so exciting. There's hope for even the other 2, even though I've seen nothing yet. And so that's the same thing as it has to do with growing a business. The more you're able to build confidence little by little, the more likely you're going to feel that sense of things are doable. And when things are doable, it helps you attract different opportunities that can help your business be more successful as well. So just wanted to bring you a little bit of my joy in my life at the moment. And then this is a basil plant that, so this I can't take the credit for having grown it from seed up, but I think it's one of my first plants in a long time that I've kept alive. Of course, basil's supposed to be easy to keep alive, right? So, and then here's a fig tree. Oops, let's see if I could show it to you. This is a cool fig tree. This is an Italian fig tree. So Italian fig tree these came in the mail. These newly grew. It came with this. I'm sprouting here, so I'm excited. I love figs. And apparently you could grow it as an indoor container plant as well. So in any case, if you're ever in those moments in your practice thinking that you've sown a lot of seeds and haven't seen it sprout yet, just keep that faith. And for 6 and 7 figure practice makeover tips, go to introvertedvisionary.com, and this is Chen Yen, your 6 and 7 figure practice makeover mentor at Introverted Visionary. Till next time.